Corner, everybody, it's me, Tricks5 VR, go by for short, that's my thing. And today, I'm going to be doing part 2 of Ultimate Custom Night VR. We did the first 5 challenges earlier in the last episode, so you can check the top left corner, I think I'm pointing at it. Top right corner, Jesus Christ. You can check right there, where my finger's pointing, you'll find the other video, I'll leave it in the cards there. You could go watch that first if you want. But yeah, you don't really need to. Today we're going to be trying the Ladies' Night and Creepy Crawlies. Not Chaos 2, that's for later today, maybe tomorrow. And yeah, so for Ladies' Night 1, we got Chica, Toy Chica, Mangles. We got Weird Mechanic, Mask, Vent, Back Vent, oh, I have to buy plushies, you gotta be kidding me. Wait! I gotta buy 2 plushies. Gotta be kidding. At least you're off, so I can use you. So we got Weird Mechanic, Mask, Vent, Back Vent, Plushie, Side to Side, I guess. Whatever the hell you want. What are they called? The ducts. You're a duct. You are quite literally a duck, but you're a chicken. You are with the wet floor sign, push button, and lag headset. Opposites. I unlocked this office last time we tried this, so yeah. Let's do challenges. Let's do this. I'm hopefully gonna complete these soon, and then I'm recording this the same day, like literally just after I move the file for these. So this might come out the same day, depending on how long this video is, and maybe the video of these, not Chaos 3, but these might come out today as well. So let's try. Okay, the lag is back again. You gotta search for coins like immediately. What's the fuck boss pants?
Yeah, don't touch me, bird.
Boss pants. 10 F coins. The system with the audio there, that system. I'm just gonna do that. Actually, you know, if I went the whole challenge before with that, I could just close this vent up here. Oh, okay. Plushie. This is gonna be relatively easy. Change music. Gotta watch you, make sure you don't do nothing. I'm not gonna touch you. Of course, you're back. Raining my power like crazy. It's already 2 AM. The nights in this game go so fast. Oh, shiitake mushrooms. Shot you. Got situation. So, Ladies' Night 1 isn't gonna be that bad. So I don't think it's gonna be much of a problem, you know? So I think we should be able to get through. Well, I meant to Ladies' Night. I said Ladies' Night 1, but I meant to talk about in general the whole thing of Ladies' Night. Scared me. Chica's mechanic is probably gonna kill me so many times because she's just so annoying. I missed 3 coins there. That sucks. Angle, please go down. Go down. Go down. You mother audio? Yes, you are. I already bought... Oh, not expect to see you there. Mangle's going down that way, so I really don't have to worry about Mangle. So. I'm probably gonna move back and sit down. I mean, it's already 5 a.m., which this night went by really fast. I don't know how it did, but it just did. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Please. Thank you. We're already about to win this. Okay, that was actually surprisingly easy. That was nothing really comment. Man, what the fuck? Anyways, I'm just gonna say right now, you're probably gonna hear me not really talk too much because I usually tend to like lock the in these games. You know? Oh, I gotta buy 2 plushies now. I don't even counter either of these ones. I didn't even counter those guys once. Or you, by extension. So, oh god, so the AI is just boosted. Yeah, they just boosted the AI and added you, so I'm just gonna have to collect a whole bunch more coins. You're probably not gonna hear me talk a lot because I'm gonna be focused, but, you know, I'm still recording, obviously, because, you know, the video doesn't cut off here. So yeah, let's go. Audio there. Coins. Oh god. Who else am I supposed to be watching out for? Watching out for the Rockstar Chica.
Don't touch me, bird.
10 coins, please. Gonna buy both plushies.
Hello there.
Oh, I forgot about you! That's what I was supposed to look out for! No change for the snares. Thank God. Don't kill me.
Jar, me bird likes you, so I'll do ye a favor.
Power. Power's gonna be what I mainly need in this run. Okay, you're here now. What's going on? Mangle's on the way. You're stuck. Looking for pots and pans, pots and pans, pots and pans. Screw you. Boop. How is it already 2 a.m.? How are these nights going by so fast? I feel like I'm not providing enough commentary. Like, I'm just sitting here gaming, just recording it. If I'm not commentating enough and that's, you know, like a problem, let me know in the comments, please. Fast coins, cover, you're gone. Oh, you guys are both going this way? Bet. I'll take that. How many pots and pans are in that kitchen? That's what confuses me. How do you somehow have, like, infinite pots and pans in the kitchen? Let's watch Mangle. What is Mangle doing? That's all that's gonna make it. Oh god. But their cheek is about to hit the vent. Well, the snare. Right? These are... Yes, these are snares. Almost touched the bird. I don't want to mess with the bird, because the bird's gonna get me killed. Boop for good luck. You're gonna see me doing a lot of boops for good luck when it comes to Chaos 3, because Chaos 3 is gonna be so annoying, bro. You're going down that way. Oh god, wait, you're gonna come first. Jeez, just make it there first. Give me the sign. Give me the sign. Stop it. Oh my! I was like 30 seconds from the night ending too. Give it another attempt. Jesus Christ. Grind for coins immediately. What's that? Okay, perfect. Snare.
Unfortunate. I'm gonna do a sneaky thing and throw a new contender in the ring.
Who did you add, Dee? Kind of scared now. Who did Dee add? Dee added someone like agitating. That's gonna. That's who Dee added. I need to eat something. I'm like about to pass out right now, bro. I'll be fine. Oh god. Shut up. I don't need to check anything. Oh god. How has she not gotten up yet? Got both of them at the same time. That on. Set my intimidation. Oh god, my back hurts. I've been standing up playing Ultimate Custom Night VR for so long, dude. It's about to be an hour long in this video. Actually, like maybe an hour and a half long. Just standing here doing nothing. As long as Mangle doesn't go down the middle. Actually, doesn't matter because she's about to hit the thing anyway. Let's go. That. Get out of here. Just gonna play the meme. Get out. Editing me, please put the get out sound effect over there. Oh, we won! GG's. Oh god. Alright. Oh, okay. Okay, so now we gotta try Ladies Night 3 and then the 2 Creepy Crawlies challenges, and we could actually speedrun doing this. Like, that could actually be like the fastest I've done, a row, not a row, column. God, imagine doing rows, bro. Episode 3 would go so annoying because I got all the thirds, bro. So apparently, Spicy KFC's been in this challenge the whole time. I just keep the fan on. Wait, I got a death coin you too? Are you kidding me? I forgot I had the death coin you. Oh god, here we go. I hate this so much, bro. This here. Coins. Coins.
Yeah, you win some.
Are you If this bird, I need to get 2 successful bird grabs. That's what I call them. I don't call them getting the Rockstar Foxy's bird. I call them bird grabs. I need to get 2 successful bird grabs. 2 a.m. bird grabs. Forgot about you.
Jar, what can I do for you?
Looks like something bad is about to happen.
Oh, please.
Yeah, you win
Are
some.
you kidding me? Let's just see how many attempts is this gonna take. Put a counter right there for how many times I died of this damn dude. Coins. Snag any coins I see.
Me bird likes you, so I'll do ye a favor.
Time for your controlled shot.
Oh my god. Jesus Lord. Close this, turn this on. Just gonna duck this to that. 2 a.m. What time is 2 a.m.? I don't know what time 2 a.m. is. I swear, if you kill me,
Yeah, who touched me bird?
oh god. Yes,
Can I do
okay.
for you?
I got 2 successful bird pulls. We're good. We're stacked. Just don't fumble. Just don't fumble. Okay. Good run. Mask. Yeah, I might be dead.
Oh, that's me.
So okay. Got a good run. Just keep it a good run. Okay. I'm so lucky right now. Please. Oh god, Chica. Ooh. Okay, we're halfway through the night. 50% power. That there. And that door. Change Chica's music. Check the vent. You're good. Okay. We got this. Sorry for not talking again. Like I said before, I'm just like ridiculously locked in my room. Hang on, where are you going? Come on now. Okay.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Where is it? Chica. Okay. I'm like, oh. Alright. As long as nothing happens. GG's, bro. Oh my god. That took more attempts than it should have. Oh my goodness. Okay, please don't give me intermission. Okay, thank god. Now, Creepy Crawlies one. We're actually speeding through this challenge. Like, not even joking. Feels like it's only been like, what, 20 minutes? Oh god. Oh god. So, just watch the ducts. Watch the vents. Okay. At this point, I'm just gonna keep the top door closed and only worry about the duct animatronics, honestly. Because literally everything here, except for you, all of you, and you, are vent animatronics. Y'all are duct animatronics because I only gotta deal with outside of duct, you. And you don't even have anything. I just gotta press the button and deal with these guys. Let's do this. Yes! Okay. Close that. Every once in a while, just turn on the heater. Box, we don't buy anything. I could death coin the puppet. I could genuinely death coin the puppet. That's what I'm gonna do actually. 10, death coin, and reset ventilation, duct system, good, camera, death coin, done! Now we just put on the mask whenever it's necessary and just watch the ducts. Easy. Oh goodness, just gonna stretch right now, oh god. I don't think this game wants me to stretch. The only possible annoying thing is music, man, but even then, he's easy to deal with. Okay, you're gonna get blocked. So I don't gotta worry about any sound cues, any nothing. Just put on the mask when it's necessary. And Creepy Crawlies is probably one of the easiest nights time. If you just close that, do this, easy. Just don't pick up the things either. Because the second they start creeping towards you, just heater. Like this, right? Heater. Power generator. Fan back on. Only gave me 8 degrees. Boop. Only thing that would really suck is DD. But even then. I'm just gonna walk back and I'm gonna sit down on my bed. Ooh, goodness. God, I forgot about that. That actually scared me, I'm not gonna lie. If I hold this with me. Oh god. Off. Power gen, fan. Duct system. Okay. I don't care, bird. I almost died. Here. This is actually really easy, I'm not gonna lie. Just don't touch that bird, we're good. We already got like a minute 15 left. This is easy, bro. Only problem is Creepy Crawlies 2, because I think these guys are going to be more sporadic and all over the place. I think there isn't anything else that I need to death coin. So I think it should just be a repeat of this with another extra step or two. If that's the case, then this is probably going to be one of the shorter videos this series. So I know the next one is going to be one more. Actually, it's not even going to be one more challenge, because it's already the 5 challenges from before. So Chaos 1, 2, Old Friends, there's Spring Locked, and then there's one more. I'm literally just moving around in my room like I'm just circling. Not even circling, but hey, we beat the night. I'm telling you, that was one of the easiest nights you could have done. Easy as all hell, bro. Alright, please don't give me intermission, please. I don't want to deal with intermission, I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to deal with it, I don't want to deal with it. Please. 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 Thank the heavens. This is one of the shortest videos ever. So, what did they even add in this night? Add anybody? Right. They added Afton. Should close both the front and back vents. Dude, this is easy. Bro, what is this? Also, That's gonna be more active, but who cares? Let's do it. Okay, power gen, boom, boom. Duct system, audio right there, cam system, fast coins, please fast coins. We might need to rely on the good old bird. You got the kidding me. I'm dead. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, challenges. Creepy Crawlies 2. The beginning is gonna be the most annoying part. So let's just speedrun. Power gen. Both front to back. I said that backwards. Boom, boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Pull up the music box for easier stuff. Or that duct system. Audio there. Cam system, find fast coins, please. One more coin, please, one more coin, one more coin. Here. The duct system. Take that off. And we're done.
Unfortunate.
That's
How unfortunate. I know how much you like to fight, so I'll add a new problem to your night.
Sorry about not talking like that. I just need to walk in right there. Turns out, I think Ned Bear or Orville, whichever one, is immune to the heat. Which is honestly quite agitating. Okay, he gets pushed back every once in a while. I'm assuming there's an RNG chance that he'll do that. Oh goodness. We're actually going quite, literally average on power. 3 AM, 50%. Goodness. Ooh, that almost got so bad. That almost got. Did he get in? Okay, God, I thought he got in. I got so scared. I'm waiting for this guy to become active. Whatever happened to him?
Bruh.
What the hell? She just ignored that. Did you guys not see that? She just went below that. That's very weird. Okay. Take your money.
Thank you for depositing 5
Oh God, the
coins.
fans. 15 seconds left. As long as nothing goes wrong, we're good. Okay. Oh, we got a high score too. Perfect. Oh, goodness. That's actually surprisingly kind of stressful. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my goodness. Water bottle. 2,500. Please do not give me intermission. Do not give me intermission. You've got to be kidding me. And that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end. The next video we'll be doing Chaos 1, Chaos 2, and these 3 here. We're probably going to have Chaos 3 be its own video, because Chaos 3 is... It's Chaos 3. Look at this lineup, dude. How am I supposed to do this with all these other ones? So Chaos 3 is going to be its own video of just attempts. It might even just be bloopers and then the actual run. But still, it's insane. It's going to be annoying. So... yeah, stay tuned for that. That's probably going to be coming sometime later this week. I'll probably have these done by maybe tomorrow. I'm filming this on the 12th, I'm pretty sure. I'm going to check my phone real quickly. Yeah, I'm filming this on the 12th. This might be out sometime maybe before the 15th. Maybe it might be out tonight. I'm not sure. Probably might be out tonight. But then again, YouTube takes a long time to upload the videos. But that's not the problem. Well, that's not a problem, I should say. Anyways, just thank you for watching. If you like and subscribe if you want. You don't need to, but, you know, it helps out a ton. And yeah.